Hello, so this is going to be an unboxing of some cubes, the MGC 2x2, MGC 4x4, and the VALK Elite, 3 Elite. Start, I guess. Okay, looks awesome, actually. My first 2x2, by the way. There are some extra springs by the looks of it in here, some extra magnets, you can see. And there's the cube. Let's do some first turns. Oh, it's my phone. Shit. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do some first turns. Let's try it, actually. This aside. I do not know how to turn 2x2s. I apologize for that. Just doing a T-perm, I know, from 3x3. So yeah, it seems awesome, I guess. Feels a bit loose, a bit fast out of the box. Might tighten it later, but anyway, it just feels awesome. Magnets are strong. Like the bump, you can feel it, definitely. But it's still a bit loose and fast. Might lube it with some Nebula. I don't know. Nebula and some like light lube. Get smoother. So yeah, awesome. I guess, yeah. Let's put this aside. Now you move on to the MGC 4x4. This is gonna need like a knife. By the looks of it. Oh, first 4x4. I'm so excited. Actually, really looking forward to this. I've been waiting for this package for like 30 something days. Now let me figure it out how the fuck I'm supposed to open this. How the hell? Yeah, sorry. Okay, seriously? Oh, it just opens like that. Damn. Okay, it's open. Now let's open the box. Oh, pretty sleek, if I'm honest. Cool box, if I'm honest. Let's see, it comes with accessories, which are, let's see what the accessories are. It's a long review from what I can see. Unboxing, I mean. Okay, some extra springs, another screwdriver, which is useful, I guess. And something else in here. Pamphlet on how to solve a 4x4, I assume. And some more springs. Okay, nice. Let's do some first turns. I'm so excited for this. Is there anything beneath it? Nope. Okay. Let's try, honestly. I'm so excited. Dude, I don't know how to turn the 4x4. I'm making this look bad, aren't I? It's amazing. It's pretty cool, if I'm honest. I'm just garbage at turning. This is pretty awesome, if I'm honest with you. Damn, I am slow. Okay. Can I do an MUU from here? Oh, nice. Oh my god, I'm garbage. Yeah, honestly, this is awesome. Let's try JA perm, you know what, actually? Yeah, I messed it up. I'm gonna have to learn to solve this, otherwise I'm fucked. Okay, so this is decent, I guess. This is really awesome. Turning is really good. I'm just garbage at turning. Like, even in 3x3, I'm garbage at turning. gonna have to get used to this. Okay, this is awesome, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna put this aside now. The 2x2 is also pretty cool, if I'm honest. Now for what I'm really excited for. Let's put this aside. Put this aside here. Now for the VALK ELITE, which is gonna be my new main. This might be a bit controversial. Hopefully it'll be my new main. I mean, let's try this. It's pretty awesome. Pretty sleek VALK box, and I'm just noticing this has been going on for like 5 minutes 40, so I should probably wrap this up. Okay. Pretty sleek box, if I'm honest with you. I'm really loving the 4x4, honestly. This is actually horrible. How I'm turning, I mean, the cube is good. I don't know how to turn. Okay, yeah. Let's take out the box. Let's leave this for last. I assume you probably know the accessories in here. So in here, there's probably the tickets, the pamphlets, and stuff like that. Yeah, so basically, some cards, cleaning cloth, a VALK sticker, which is neat, I guess. In here, I assume the springs are in here, I assume. Am I right? Am I correct? Yep, these are the springs, the extra springs. Let's put this aside real quick. And here are just the extra center caps, which I don't think I need to show. One of them are green, which has no magnets, and one of them have red magnets, which are strong. Let me just figure this shit out. Guys, am I dumb? Am I like legit dumb? What's wrong with me? Oh, yeah, it just goes like that. Okay. Let's take the cube out. Let's try some first turns. Just looks awesome. Oh, there's a bit of glue on it. Just clean it up. I know it's my shirt. Actually, let me get some toilet paper. Do I have any near me? Yeah, actually, that'll be fine. Oh, this is really awesome. Insanely stable. Yeah, this is actually perfect. Kind of like it, honestly. Really like it. Let's try. Oh my god. Yeah, it's kind of wet on the outside. So basically, this was the unboxing, which was long as hell. VALK ELITE, MGC 4x4 and MGC 2x2. MGC 2x2 is like decent. I recommend this, honestly. I just don't know how to turn at all. Well, I'm getting better at it. And MGC 4x4 just like honestly amazing. Like you can't expect like corner cutting is, I heard it's good. Let's try it. Reverse. Half a piece there. Yeah, it's really good. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna look for my mouse now and all these things, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.